For a long time, people said Nikon was finished. They said Sony won the speed war. They said Canon owned the future. And Nikon? Nikon was just trying to survive. Then the Z9 happened. No mechanical shutter. No excuses. No compromises. It wasn't just a comeback. It was a warning shot. And now, something even bigger is coming. If the leaks are true, the Nikon Z9 Mark II is not here to compete. It's here to end the conversation. Right now, the camera world is obsessed with one thing: speed. Who focuses faster? Who shoots more frames? Who misses fewer shots? Sony and Canon pushed hard. New processors, smarter autofocus, faster sensors. But Nikon didn't rush. Nikon waited. And when Nikon moves, they move heavy. The Z9 Mark II is shaping up to be the most aggressive flagship Nikon has ever planned. Not a safe upgrade, not a small refresh. A full reset of what a professional camera can be. Let's start with the heart of it all. The sensor. The original Z9 already shocked everyone. A stacked sensor fast enough to remove the mechanical shutter completely. That alone changed camera design forever. But Nikon isn't stopping there. Leaks point to two possible directions, and both are dangerous for the competition. One path is brute force. More resolution, possibly 50 or even 60 megapixels. Detail that sports, wildlife, and landscape shooters dream about, without slowing the camera down. That alone would be enough to dominate many markets. But the second path is where things get serious. A hybrid sensor design, not a true global shutter. Something smarter. Imagine this. Global shutter level flash sync. No rolling shutter distortion, but with full 14-bit raw depth and strong dynamic range. That combination has always been impossible. Until now, traditional global shutter sensors sacrifice image quality. Nikon seems to be working on a way around that problem. Faster readout speeds that feel like global shutter without killing dynamic range. If Nikon pulls this off, it's not an upgrade. It's a breakthrough. Powering this sensor is expected to be a new processor, the X8. But raw speed isn't the real story here. Intelligence is. The Z9 Mark II is rumored to include a dedicated AI engine. Not software tricks. Real hardware built for machine learning. This changes how autofocus works at a deep level. Instead of just detecting subjects, the camera predicts them. It learns how a bird moves in the air, how a race car exits a corner, how an athlete changes direction. The camera doesn't chase focus anymore. It stays ahead of it. For professionals, this is everything. Missed shots cost money. Missed moments don't come back. Nikon is clearly targeting that pain point. And this is only the beginning. Because where the Z9 Mark II truly becomes dangerous is video. Nikon didn't just improve video specs. They bought Red. That single move changed Nikon's future overnight. For years, Red has been the gold standard in digital cinema. Color science, dynamic range, professional tools. Now imagine that DNA inside a Z-mount camera. Leaks suggest 8K video at insane frame rates. Possibly 60 frames per second. Maybe even 120. Better heat control. Longer recording times. And real cinema tools like waveforms and false color built directly into the camera. This is Nikon blurring the line between mirrorless and cinema. Not for YouTubers only. For real productions. And Nikon isn't forgetting usability. The Z9 Mark II is expected to refine the body, not reinvent it. Better balance with large lenses. Improved grip comfort. And a next-generation electronic viewfinder with higher brightness and faster refresh rates to keep up with extreme burst shooting. Then there's the screen, a new hybrid tilting system that works for both photographers and video shooters. No guardangles, no compromisos. Even connectivity is getting serious attention. Built-in 5G or next-gen wireless. Faster file transfer. Faster publishing. In sports and news, speed is everything. Nikon wants images delivered before the moment is even over. So what does all this mean? It means Nikon isn't chasing Sony anymore. They aren't copying Canon. They're building a camera meant to last 5 years at the top. A tool professionals can trust under pressure. A camera designed for the biggest stages in the world. If these leaks turn out to be accurate, the Z9 Mark II won't just be another flagship. It will be the camera everyone else reacts to. And that's exactly how Nikon wants it. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss what's coming next.